In this video, I'm going to show you how to open up a HTML file in your Google Chrome browser. So first you will need to start by opening a notepad or whatever notepad app that you have. You can use the default notepad from Windows. And then you will need to create a basic HTML file by basically entering the code. So I'm going to use a ready code. I'm going to paste it here. And this should basically open up a page that says hello world, and this is a basic HTML file. Now you want to save it as HTML file by clicking File, Save As, and then choose Desktop. And here you want to basically call it My File or whatever name you choose. Select all files from the type and make sure to give it .html extension, and then press Save, and it should be saved to your desktop. Now all you need to do is basically right click on the file and then choose open with, and then select your Google Chrome browser. And if you only have Google Chrome, if you double click on it, it should automatically open it in Google Chrome, and then press OK, and this should launch the file in Google Chrome. And as you can see, this is the content of the file that is showing right here. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you on the next one.